Hi there, welcome back to HTV Fast. It's Nelson Douglas, your favorite vinyl guy. I'm here to help you with some Cricut hacks that I discovered as a dafter that I just came across. And it's taking all of my heat transfer vinyl and cutting them in half and doing two colors on one mat. Here, as you see in the example, I have a 4-color design that's a 90s design. I turned the design up to the left-hand corner to maximize my sheet. Made sure that my sheets that I had were color coded. I wanted to put those on my mat. Went back, double checked all to make sure all the print was up to the left-hand corner. I mirrored the images after double checking and just said, man, this is just going to be a great thing that I could do with this hack. It was simply easy to do versus me having 4 different color mats or 4 different full sheets. It was easy just to cut them in half. Made it very simple to do. This is one of the other Cricut hacks that we just came up with that we just thought would be amazing. And as you see here, I loaded on there, black and white, click go, let the blade do its thing. Now you do want to make sure that the material that you're cutting is similar setting. Some are for iron-on, some are cardstock. So just make sure that you're lining those up together if you're doing 2 colors, 4 colors, or 2 or 3 different types of material. Here there was flock, glitter flake, and regular ultra weed that was used. It will be down in the description, so check it out. And for more tips and tricks, be sure to follow us. And remember, when you're dealing with HTV Fast, the only missing piece is you.